free Instagram template bundle.
Oh, Sunday.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Miranda from the Cherish Coaching Co. How are you? Thank you so much for joining me today. I help online life coaches and business people with life coaching and online business tips. All right, so today we're going to be talking about how to create a coaching workbook, or any workbook really, in Canva. Okay, now first of all, if you're someone who's experienced in Canva or a little bit experienced or have had anything to do with Canva, this will be really, really good for you. You might already know how to do this if you're that experienced, but for those of us who don't know how to do it, it's going to be a very quick tutorial on how you can do it. All right, so let's get straight into it. All right, now don't forget, towards the end of this little segment, I'm going to be, or the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing about the workbook bundle that I actually use to create my digital products. Okay, one of my friends is amazing. I'm going to be talking a little bit about that, but for now, let's go in and start doing what we're going to be doing. Here we go, sharing my screen. Now, I've already done a little bit here. I've created an A4 document, okay, because I thought you don't need to sit through me doing that the whole time. If you want to know a little bit more about how to create that stuff, check out my other video that I've recently done all about how to start using Canva. All right, that's very, very helpful, okay, if you want to find out the exact way that you can get started. All right, so basically creating a workbook in Canva. Now, this is something I've been doing over at the Cherish Mum Space Parenting, which is actually what I do. Like for ages. For my master classes, I often create a 2 or 3 page workbook, not all the time, but sometimes, a lot of the time actually. So because it really helps parents remember. All right, so if you're a parent, maybe you'd like to follow me. Anyway, let's get on to this. So here we are. I've got an A4 page. I'm adding a heading up the top. So that's going to say something like the masterclass. I'm just going to pop masterclass there because you guys can name it whatever you're going to call it, whatever your workbook is for. Now, something that I haven't popped in yet that I will be popping in right now is a little subheading that basically says instructions and welcome and don't forget. Don't forget. Okay, so this is something that I'm just popping in at the moment. Okay, you guys can write in there whatever you're going to write. But this is basically what you can write in there. So as a teacher, that's where the instructions would be. Obviously, this is where I get my inspiration from. Okay, I am a primary school teacher. I love having some instructions up there. It really, really helps your clients actually understand what they're going to be doing. So if you're doing coaching, there you might put something about how they can access you, what they need to be doing, all those different things. Okay, now I've just gone into this elements area, typed in rectangle and had a little look around until I've found the rectangle that I want. Okay, and then I've literally just dragged it, made it the right shape, made it the right color. This rectangle is not the same color as the other one, so I'm going to be doing that right now. I love pink. It's one of my brand colors, that light sort of rose pink. Now I've put at a subheading here. I'm going to press Control-C, Control-V, because Control-C is copy, if you didn't know, and Control-V is paste, if you didn't know. Now, can you see those little lines there? That makes sure that it's all in line. So basically, I want these are going to be questions. So how often are you triggered by this person? There you go, coaches. Okay, how often are you triggered by this person? Now, if you have a look, that is much bigger than it probably needs to be. And also it does not have a capital start. Come on. I'm going to press Control-A. If you didn't know, again, that means select all. I might just make that. So size 12 is pretty standard on an A4 document. Remembering this is actually an A4 document here. Okay, so basically I'm adding that in there. How often are you triggered by this person? I'm going to paste that one and get rid of this one. Okay, so how often are you triggered by this person? And then why, what have you tried before? Now, if you're someone who's familiar with my channel, you know that I actually sell my own coaching workbook, and it's a printable. You can print it out, and it's all based off the GROW method, okay, which is a really, really popular method of running coaching sessions. If you're someone who's interested in that, please check out the link below in this video, because it's been very helpful for some people already, and I've come up with it myself, and it works really, really well to run people through coaching sessions. Okay, if you want to grab that, I think it's about $8 on Etsy. Okay, so here we go. These are my sections that I've got here. I can literally copy and paste again. This one, I'm going to choose to make this one. Oh no, that's about perfect. I'm going to pop my brand name down there. So my brand name, that can stay there like that. My brand name is obviously the Cherish Coaching Co. I'm just moving all around in here. Okay, that's my brand name. I'm going to add one more of these in. It doesn't take that long to do this once you work out how to do it. Now, you can add different photos. You can add different graphics. You can add, what do you want to put in? I'm just going to put a star. Right, let's find a star. Let's find a cutesy little star set. Let's put that up here. Okay, there we go. You put in what you're going to put in. You'd probably put your logo in there. So for instance, I would go to here and I'd say frame, and I would come up with wherever the square one is. Wherever it is, doesn't matter. I'll just pop this one here for now. You might be able to have to type in square frame. If you have a logo, it'd be really helpful to have it up here, wouldn't it? So there you go. That's where you can put your logo and your information about your brand. Okay, don't forget to have your Instagram name on here if you're on Instagram. Now, this is only the first page, right, of our coaching workbook, of our masterclass workbook, of our digital workbook. Now, printable. Now, this is something that we can easily duplicate. So you duplicate your page. Here we go again. You've got everything there again. You've got your brand name, all that stuff down the bottom. Okay. Now, one more thing that I like to do, I'm just making another page and going up to the top here. One more thing that I really like to have is a title page. So basically you would say masterclass. Oh, I should have just left that really, shouldn't I? You would say masterclass, and you would go all the way up to maybe this. And then I'd keep that, get rid of these things. Follow me on Instagram, all the other places that they can follow you. Okay, this is going to go, and this is going to turn around. Here we go. Oops, might just go just a little bit back because that was pretty, come on, 90 degrees. There we go. And I'm going to have this as a bit of an interesting thing here. There we go. So this is just me fiddling around, basically making it look lovely here. Thanks for joining me for this masterclass. Okay, and if you're wondering why I've left masterclass just hovering out in the middle there, just hold on. There is method to my madness. All right, here we go. Masterclass. If you're not sure what to do here, you go up to position. It's right up the top here. Find position and go backward. Okay, there we go. Now this needs to also be a different color because I ain't no way I'm having that color on there. Maybe we'll go with that color. All right, I do like blue, but you know, wasn't the one that I was after. Now there we go. This obviously it has your brand name in it. You would probably put a pic and your logo. You would probably put a picture of yourself in here. Okay, so again, I'm going to go to frame. Oh, if I can spell. I'll go to frame and I'll just quickly grab a circle frame because they look kind of cute, circle frames, I think. And I would do that. I would go to uploads. Here's all my different products here. Here's me. Yay. Putting myself in a frame. Then I can talk about down here. I'll just go back there. I can talk about myself down here. Okay. Another little one to do. Okay, I can talk about myself and say, you know, Miranda shares her great tips on how to make a digital product, or how to be a parent of a 3-year-old. Okay, these are the sort of things that I talk about regularly. All right, so there you go. This is a little bit of a session on creating a coaching workbook. Now, that is something that is completely fine to have. All right, this is something that you might just love. You might think, wow, that's amazing. You can decide to, if you click the page, you can decide to actually make it at a different color. You can put a background in it. Look at this. Here we go. Let's have a little go at background. Okay, now we have a marbled background. Come on, that is very cool. And then you just do it to the other two as well. Marble background, cute looking masterclass workbook or coaching workbook. You can do this for a session, whatever. See, now that looks really cute. I haven't even added my logo, obviously, or the actual questions that I would be using. Okay, this will be soon downloadable on my Etsy shop as well. Okay, because I needed to create another coaching workbook. Okay, so I thought I'd run you guys through the process. Now, something that I said I would share with you. Where's my stop share button? There it is. Something that I said I would share with you guys, don't mind me with my chin down on my board, is something else that my beautiful friend actually has. Now, you can grab these from the link in my description. The other thing to know is if you're a digital creator, you can actually become an affiliate and you can start earning on what other people are buying through these products. So if you want to find out about that, look down below in the links and find the one that says become an affiliate. It doesn't cost you anything. All it does is earn you money when other people buy these products that someone else has made. All you have to do is literally be the link in the middle. So, which is obviously what I'm doing right now. Okay, so make your own digital products. This is something that a friend, Jessa, has created and she's amazing. And I use some of her digital product creator stuff and her lead magnet creator. I use that all the time for a lot of my things. Okay, so it's $47, 355 templates. Come on, guys, if you are a digital creator or someone who could use this, an online business person, you could easily make your money back on that. Okay, it just supports you in everything that you are doing. If you go to the all the links below, that's great. Also, free Instagram template bundle is actually available for you if you would like to grab my completely free bundle. Okay, does not have all those digital creator things in it. No, it doesn't. It's not that amazing, but it is a free Instagram template bundle. It's got story highlights, story highlight covers, sorry, and it's got stories and it's got some quote posts in there. There's over 15 templates in there and you can have it completely free. Okay, so if you would like to grab that, check out the link below in my description. Basically, check out the description. You can find out all the things that you need. Anyway, I'm Miranda from the Cherish Coaching Co. I'm hoping this has helped you guys creating a digital workbook or a coaching workbook because I am a coach. I do know what I'm talking about and I'm also a digital creator and I love doing it. All right, follow me at the Cherish Coaching Co. and I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing day. Bye.